For the past couple weeks, I have been getting tons of calls, and if I'm getting calls, I'm guessing you're getting calls too, from people who are asking me if I want to sell my house, which I find it pretty funny. If anybody did any sort of research, they would see I'm a realtor, but instead I have fun with it, and I think you should too. I think you should know who's calling you, and do they really have a buyer for your house? Questions you should ask. What price point is the buyer looking in? What areas or neighborhoods are important for this buyer? And is this person calling you even a real estate agent, or are they just somebody looking to make money by then turning around and selling you to somebody else? Nobody ever wants to be sold. I know I don't. I think it's great to ask the questions of who is actually calling. Do they really legitimately have a buyer for your house, or are they just trying to get in your door? I also had a call today from a security system. So final tip for this Monday is, if somebody calls asking you if you have a security system in your house, please tell them you do. I just had fun and said I'm not a homeowner. So have a great week. Look forward to connecting more.